We're flying a foggy day in my hometown, and we started some drama. We posted on the Ring app that there's a suspicious UFO drones flying in the area, and a lot of people commented it and got so worried. So why not start some drama in your hometown? Whip out your drone and go fly. So I flew around, and people lost their minds. They saw the drone, they started freaking out. They thought the Syrians or the UFOs were attacking us. It's pretty funny. I say you do the same. Start some drama in your hometown if you're bored today. Post it online and have fun with it.